Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Today, for the first time, I've come to give you all an amazing challenge, that is a skin detox diet challenge. For the people who are having skin issues, try to take up this challenge and just see the visible results. But how you need to do this? Just watch this video till end. A skin detox diet helps people who have skin issues like acne, breakouts, skin darkening, and pigmentation. This diet focuses on clearing out the skin from inside out. Now let's look into the benefits of skin detox diet. It helps in reducing acne and breakouts, thereby boosting skin hydration to combat the dryness and making the skin soft and supple. What foods you need to avoid during this skin detox diet? Try avoiding breakfast cereals, dairy products, processed and refined foods, caffeinated and carbonated drinks, alcohol and excessive salt. But what foods you need to include? For healthier skin and gut, try to incorporate fruits, salads, sprouts and avoid unnecessary carbohydrates and switch to herbal teas. But how is it done? This should be done weekly once, and on the particular day of your detox diet, try to maintain fasting diet where you can include lots and lots of fruits, vegetables, sprouts, infused water, herbal teas, etc. throughout the day, and that too on hourly basis. It really benefits you a lot. This skin detox diet has really visible results if it is done regularly. So, take up this challenge today. Try following this skin detox diet every week, at least weekly once. Try to do it to make sure that your skin turns out to be healthy and also bright. And if you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. For the further doubt clearing on the skin detox diet, do contact me at Apoorva's Diet Studio and the number is given below. I'll come with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.